In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify's student verification problem. If you're trying to verify your student identity to use the student plan of Spotify and it is not currently working, then what I suggest you to do is use a incognito mode or a private browser to avoid the cache data errors while reapplying through the SheerID. So what you can do is just hop into the incognito mode if you're using a Google Chrome device, and you can just search for the same website that you used to verify. This way your verification should be done. Also, what you'll need to verify is that your school is listed and your name matches the official university records that is publicly available for Spotify to verify. Also, make sure you upload the document proof if instant verifications fails. So sometimes the instant verification will not go through. So in those cases, you'll need to upload your documents to show a proof that you actually are a student. So once you ensure these steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify student verification problem. I do hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.